I'm always looking for ways to boost my well-being and happiness, and at the same time reduce stress. One of the ways that help me with this is, you guessed it, painting. But as much as I love painting, I find coloring the most relaxing and convenient. The theme for this class is capturing romance. We will be coloring this portrait from start to finish with pastel pencils. So why pastel pencils? I'll get into that in just a minute. I just want to share with you why I love coloring. The benefits of coloring are many. Coloring isn't just for kids, it's actually very beneficial for adults. Personally, I have experienced many positive benefits from coloring. The process of putting color to paper is very distressing. It puts you in a quiet state of mind that generates wellness. You can say it's a type of meditation. Coloring is a relaxing activity and actually increases your creativity even more, along with your senses, and has even been said to improve sleep. And who doesn't want that? This class is a Color Along With Me session. A line art download will be provided for you to use. It's not just any coloring class though. You will be learning how to color and use pastel pencils. So why pastel pencils and not just ordinary coloring pencils? Don't get me wrong, I love coloring pencils too. But the main difference is that coloring pencils are wax-based, so blending colors takes a lot longer. You need to burnish the color, which means to rub. You need to break down the wax by rubbing the coloring pencil to get a blended and desired effect. It's not so easy to erase colored pencil once the color is applied. Although coloring pencils also produce beautiful results, it's not as de-stressing as I'd like. I personally love using pastel pencils because of their pure convenience and low learning curve to get started. Plus, they are low maintenance. Pastel pencils are mainly pigment without the added wax, making blending areas much quicker and easier. Erasing areas are not a problem. Some say they are too dusty, but I find that is not the case. I have been using them for years, and although they have some pigment that can smudge, it is that very characteristic and quality that I love. The dusty pigment gives a soft look that I love. As a busy mom with little space in my studio, I love how pastel pencils are easy to use and easy to store. You can achieve painterly effects because they are instant blending without wax, water, or strong fumes of oils. I can walk away from my artwork and come back to it anytime and not worry about my art supplies drying up or big cleaning and washing up of paintbrushes as with other art mediums like acrylic, oil, or watercolor. This class will start off by introducing to you one convenient way to find inspiration and color palettes for your artwork. Then we will get into all the pastel pencil colors used in this Capturing Romance portrait class. You will learn how to use pastel pencils and what tools you'll need to use pastel pencils like a pro, along with my tips. But you can still start using pastel pencils even if you don't have any of the tools in this class. You can even follow along with coloring pencils, but I can't guarantee the same results. Although I'm sure the portrait will still be beautiful. You can make it your own. This class is for anyone who wants to color and is looking for a way to de-stress with art. This is a great way to enjoy the benefits of coloring while learning something new, like how to use pastel pencils, if this art medium is new to you. Plus all my extra tips on how to improve your coloring, how to find color inspiration and palettes. Welcome to Capturing Romance. Color with me.